In this video, step by step, we will connect TradingView and Matchtrader using the AllGoWay platform. We will get the broker ID, create a trial webhook in the dashboard, set up alerts in TradingView, and check that trades are executed in Matchtrader. Step 1. Let's get the broker ID of your Matchtrader broker. Open the login page of your broker on Matchtrader. Right-click, View Page Source or Inspect. Find the parameter broker ID, search for broker ID and copy its value. You will need this when creating the webhook. Step 2. Log into your account on the allgoway.trade website. Go to the Dashboard tab, click Add Trial Webhook. In the Platform field, select Matchtrader. Fill in the fields strictly according to the instructions. Platform, select Matchtrader. Quantity multiplier: if TradingView sends volumes in lots, choose lots. If in contracts or units, choose absolute, but make sure the final volume matches your broker's rules. Trade type: reverse, only one trade at a time. A new opposite order closes the current one. Or hedge: you can hold buy and sell positions simultaneously. URL: enter the URL of your broker's Matchtrader platform. Email: the email of your Matchtrader account. Password: the password of your Matchtrader account. Broker ID: paste the value obtained in the previous step. Save by clicking Add Trial Webhook. Step 3. Now let's set up alerts in TradingView. Open TradingView and click on the three dots next to the indicator or strategy name and choose Add Alert On. The alert creation window will open. In it, specify message. Insert the JSON template here. Copy it from the dashboard. By clicking on the name of your platform there, a window will open with the JSON content for Matchtrader. Click Copy to copy it to the clipboard. Notifications: check the box webhook URL and paste the address we got from AllGoWay. To copy it, simply click on it. Detailed examples of JSON templates can be found in our Telegram channel. The link is under this video. Click Create and the alert is ready. Step 4. Test and control. Send a test alert from TradingView and make sure it goes through. Check in Matchtrader that the order appears. Monitoring and managing webhooks: editing or deleting is done in the AllGoWay dashboard. Trading logs are also available in your dashboard, in the logs section. Now the connection is ready. TradingView generates signals, AllGoWay receives them via webhook, and Matchtrader executes the trades automatically.